guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. In this video, let's take a look at eat-in kitchens. Now, eat-in kitchens, I can't even say are making a comeback because really, did they ever leave? I remember in my grandmother's small home having an eat-in kitchen, and it was just so cozy and warm. So the interesting thing is today, when you go house shopping as we have done recently, having a dining room isn't really a thing anymore unless it's just a humongous sized home. A lot of people are opting away of having like a separate dining room for the fact that they said that they did not use it or it was just way too formal. And a lot of homes are really heading into the open concept where it's really just one big room, the kitchen, the living area, the dining area. So it's just kind of divided. Now, I think I have spoken with you all before. First off, please excuse my voice. I have a little cold going on. But I think I've spoken with you before. I am a lover of a good formal dining room. I know a lot of people don't like it. They think it's a waste of space. They just kind of eat together either at the table in the kitchen or just maybe in the den or living room in front of the TV. But I think there is something just really elegant about having a dining room. Unfortunately, the house I'm in now doesn't have it, but the house that I came from actually has a separate dining room, and I loved it. From all the research that I've been doing, it looks like larger homes still have dining rooms as well as older homes because, you know, having a dining room was, of course, in fashion then, in style. So a lot of older homes will give you a true dining room, whereas a lot of newer homes don't really just offer that anymore. However, like I stated, a lot of homes now do not have a separate dining room area, and the kitchen is also serving as, or at least a part of it, the dining room. So comment down below, do you have a separate dining room area or a separate dining room, or do you have a kitchen table, chairs there in the kitchen? Either way, this video serves to show you just how beautiful and functional that having an eat-in kitchen can be. I really hope you enjoy it. Comment down below other videos that you want to see. I still owe a few of you some videos, so I'm going to be working on that. Just let me shake this cold, okay? As always, I appreciate you and enjoy the video.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. Let me know down below in the comment section which style do you really resonate with the most. Now, if you want to see more videos, check out one of these featured here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.
Baby, you